What are the signs of a healthy body and mind? When you go to sleep at night, you should fall asleep immediately and you should feel a pleasure and a smooth and enjoyable requirement to go to sleep. And the best sleep is something which happens without even the knowledge of the person, and just he should sleep wherever he is resting after his dinner. That is a best sleep. But dinner should be in the evening before the sunset, not after sunset. That sleep is a very good sleep, and that is one great sign of a good health. When the deep sleep is over, automatically the person should get up in sync with the sunrise. Depending upon his health, either just at the time of sunrise or before sunrise or much ahead of the sunrise, and it is always with a sync in the sunrise. And the awakening should be like the blossoming of a flower, spontaneous, very silent, and it should spread a nice vibration around. People should be happy that we are awake today and we are doing our work and help for others without a sign of discomfort or irritation. We are very happy to work, to do our duties without expecting any returns or requesting frequent breaks. And we are okay to change our work as a part of the rest schedule than to sit simply and requiring to do something else which are not productive. When we have to eat food, our body signifies it very silently but subtly and strongly with a slow growing hunger so that we feel pleasure and comfortable, and we can work also along with the hunger. This hunger does not get satisfied by just drinking water. In fact, after drinking water, it will subside lightly and it will start again. And that is the quality of a good hunger. The food what we eat should be so natural that it mixes with the saliva, our digestive enzymes, and the blood so fast that our digestion should be over without creating any discomfort in the abdomen or digestive organs. The passage of the food into the gastrointestinal tract should also be so smooth that there is no difficulty in the food getting processed. And we have to pass motion twice a day. Immediately after you get up from your sleep, we have to clear all our old remaining waste material from our body, and evening at around 4 o'clock there should be a natural urge to pass our motion, and the motion what we pass should not come in breaks, should not come like it is very loose stools, and should not be excessively foul smelling or should not be accept anything other than the color of yellowish tinge or the color of the food what we ate. In fact, very healthy people would even have the smell of the food after digestion. Also, we can identify what was the food taken, and the urine should not be very frothy or colorless, and it should not be too dark in color also. And there should be a pleasure in anything what we do, including consuming food, eliminating the waste matter from the body, including urination, passing the stools, or even a sneeze should give you some pleasure after it is done. Because in nature, whether you consume something or eliminate something, there is a pleasure involved in it. And you are usually constructive in nature, and everything improves with your interference, and the organisms around you are happy to be around you, and we do not disturb any organism even unknowingly, and the organisms can understand your feelings, and Regarding the physical form, in temples, you can see some statues of gods. Those temple statues are actually made in accordance with the Shastra mentioned for the healthy dimensions of a human being. And when you compare yourself, if your dimensions are proportionate to those kind of statues, then we could identify that you have some good amount of health. Abnormal or asymmetrical swelling, discoloration, malfunctioning of any part of the body signifies a reduced health in the body. These are some of the very important physical signs of health. And mentally, if any disturbance is there in your emotions, or you have been subjected to any kind of turmoil which affects your mind, we should be able to come back, revive ourselves, and revert back to our normal happy state within a considerably less time, not taking too many days or too many hours to overcome the problem. The problems can be there, but we have to overcome it soon. And we should always be having positive thoughts which will encourage the growth of the culture, the literature, arts, and even science to that matter. That kind of healthy mind which will guide the person towards a better evolution in tune with the nature and constructively is the sign of a healthy mind.